What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. Today I received the LED bulb for the fog lights, and the fog lights in the front of the car, on the bumper. So let's do that now. All right. So let's start with the. Let's see. There's one in here. One. There's another one here. And then the T. Again, I don't know which one. It's a different one, and it's in the middle. So all right, remove that one, and then this is the big one. This is the one I got. Okay, so this is the bulb. Okay, that was very easy. So this is the old bulb. So this is the LED. So you have to make sure that you're not forcing anything. There you go. It was very easy. So once you put it when the way it's supposed to, you just turn, and the plug is supposed to be pointing up. See? So you know what? Look how bad this looks. I think I'm gonna fix it now. What you guys think? Let's do this. Okay, guys, I just cleaned with water the fog light. It was very dusty and dirty. So this is what we need. We need a P400, then P600, and last a P2500. We also need like a paper towel and alcohol. And very important is the clear coat. I'll show you which one I'm gonna use. All right, first with water, just spray the plastic, and then the 400, and then you don't want to press, just let it do the work. Make sure it's wet. And then in the beginning, you're doing it in circles. Make sure that you are following the edges. All right. Then you jump to the 600. Spray again. And now let's do side to side. Water again. No water, and then we're gonna use the 2500 again, very gently. You don't want to press too hard. Then we apply alcohol. And now it's ready for the clear coat. Okay, now I'm in the balcony and I'm gonna apply the clear coat. This is the one I use. You know, you can use any brand. The most important thing here is that it's fast drying, non-yellowing, and UV resistant. Because if it's not UV resistant, it's gonna go yellow or it's gonna get ugly again very quick. So this is what you need. Now let's apply the clear coat. As you can see, it doesn't look perfect, but as soon as you apply the clear coat, it starts to look better. Check it out. Okay, look at that. Look the difference. Again, you know, just be careful. You don't want to mess it up. So it. All right, now the third and final coat. That's it. All right, so it's ready to be installed. As you can see, it looks very nice, very different from how it was before. So now we get the cables. Okay, so this one goes here. Everything is installed. You have to make sure. I don't know if you see it, but it's like a hook in here that have to go there. So it's a little bit tricky. you go. All right. Now let's put the screws. Okay, perfect. So it's already been installed. You know, you from here you can tell the difference between the headlamp or the headlight and the fog light. You know, so to give an idea, the fog light used to look even worse than the headlight. So that's gonna make, once I do or fix the headlights, the car's gonna look very different. So let's see how it looks turned on. Look at that, what a difference. Something I want to add, it's recommended once you finish the 3 layers of the clear coat, so you wax the lamp. It's supposed to look better, I'm not doing it because unfortunately I don't have a wax. That's something that I have to get, but as soon as I get it, I'm definitely waxing the fog light. Well guys, that's it for now. Thank you for watching the video. I really appreciate your support. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and also please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. So once again, thank you and see you next time. Bye.